Today we decided we're going to take a walk around Confluence Trail. It's here in Delta. It's a nice big trail. You can take your dogs, you can take your bikes, you can do whatever you want to do. We are right here, basically. And we're going to go all the way around the long way. Apparently they've added a bike trail here too, or something. It's got like little ramps and bike bridges and all kinds of stuff. That's really cool. And I know on the other end they have a skateboard park. Over there they got some disc golf going on. And here's more of that bike trail. It's actually really cool looking. They got some concrete blocks over there in the back. Nalah is really enjoying nature. She's a very undisciplined little doggy when it comes to walking, unfortunately. What do you think, Robin?
It's a walk.
It's a walk?
Yep.
Oh, Nalah.
It's funny.
So, here is why they call it Confluence Park. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. So, the reason they call this Confluence Park is this is where the Gunnison River, which is down there, which is running this way, meets with the Uncompahgre River. You can do it. It's good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
It shakes a lot when you go across it. It's scary. Good job. All right, here I go. I hate this. Getting ready to flip into the water.